Hi guys, Tony here. I want to show you how I found PR3 5-year-old domain. This one here, SEO-marketing-consultant.com. $9 for buy it now. Okay, I just want to show you the process and how I found that. Okay. First of all, you can see I've got these ones in the light blue here. These are all with the keyword SEO inside the keywords. Now what I've done here is going into the domain age, I've put minimum of 5 years. Okay, this is in the auction section. I'll go through one at the end. I'll just show you what I found here first. I guess that would be the easiest way, and then we'll go and do a whole new one with a different sort of keyword that we're looking for. And if you did the super simple niches, this is a really good strategy to use before building any site. Okay, so anyway, I checked these out. Some of these I checked out. What I did is basically just right clicked and opened in a new tab, and when you do that, hold on a second, sorry, click here first and it gives you a little bit of details about it. It says it's 6 years old, okay, and it's optioned for buy it now, and it's at $9. Okay, so what I did is just highlight here and open in a new tab. I'll try that one more time. Okay, what you'll notice here is I've got the SEO Quick bar here. Now in SEO Quick, what you will find if you go over to SEO Quick, which is here, if you click on it and go to the preferences and go to the SEO bar, what I've done is I've made it vertical. Okay, and just save the changes here, and the reason for that is because if you don't, let me just go back a bit. If you don't, then this red writing here covers all of this information here, so that's the only way that you can get it. So I've got this SEO-marketing-consultant.com. You can see here it's a page rank 3, 4 index links in Google, and it says cache. The last cache was 7th of April, and the age here has got February 1st 2011, but I dug a bit deeper because it wasn't making sense for me. And you can press a who is and stuff and go through it as well, but what I did is come over here to domaintools.com, and when you come into domaintools.com, you can see here some details. It's had 1 registrar in the last 6 years, and it's been archived since 2006. Okay, so either way, you know, I don't care if it's 6 years old, if I care more about the page rank, but if I care about how old it is, then I'll show you some other ones as well. I guess it's one of those things that you just have to decide yourself, is it worth doing or not doing, but for $9 certainly it's worth doing. It's worth testing and playing around with it as well. These are the kind of things that I like to just play around and experiment with. Anyway, so if I go over to the Site Explorer over here, and we take that domain name, just copy that. This is Majestic SEO. Paste. I can get rid of that one here. You can see here a little bit about it. It hasn't got very much going on. I'll show you some examples of others that have got a lot more going on. But you can check the links and stuff in here. Let's just go back a bit. Where was I? So I went over to Ahrefs as well, and in Ahrefs we can go into the Site Explorer and paste that in. And I've done my maximum amount of inquiries. Let's see if I can sign in. I have got an account with these guys, but it's not a professional account. Let's just see if I can log in here. Damn it. Let's have a guess. Yeah, that worked. I better save this time. Right, so what does this tell us? Not very much right now. It's got 2 backlinks. and not a lot of information about it. Okay, so we'll keep that open, and what we will do is we will go and have a look at some other stuff. But I did find, well, I went deeper into domain tools because I just set up an account here as well, and I just wanted to check the date and stuff like that. And what we found was to confirm the edge, basically, that it's the same information as before. It's 2006 it was registered, so it's a 6-year-old domain name. And let's see, and we got a PR free, so I can choose to buy that now. All I need to do is click that and go through and buy it now, which I probably will do just because I want to experiment with this one. Let's take a look at some of the others though. So I'll close that one off, and hrefs will keep. Yeah, what I did is, look, I found all 5 of these, all these ones in light blue, and what I did then is went into this bulk search, batch analysis in hrefs, and what we can do here is we can see you can get a quick overview of anything that's going on there. So this one, do-it-yourself-seo.com, you can see it's got a total of 9 referring domains, referring from 6 different IPs, etc. Okay, so we can go and take a deeper look into that one, and what we can do here is click on search positions, which it isn't going to show anything, I don't believe. No keywords found, that's fine, just go back, it will keep it there, don't worry. If you click on that, it does go back, and we can go into the site explorer as well. And it's not really giving us any information here. See if we can get anything with anchor text. No. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go back. Let's try this one. First of all, let's see if it's got any rankings anywhere. And we will try this one. Nothing. Okay, no big deal. This one should be a bit better. I've tried one of them, it did give me some information before. Okay. So this is a nice one, Commando SEO. No. Okay, so we got a little bit of conflict here, because what it's saying here for this one especially, it's got some backlinks and stuff like that. Okay, but what we can do, come back over to, let's find that one, Mountain SEO, do-it-yourself SEO. Okay, so you can see here the age is 2007, so it is 5 or 6 years old. And what we can do here as well, you can see I've got some other stuff up here. Let me just move this up. So you can see this one is do-it-yourself-seo.com, and what we can do is here I've got a couple of other tools here that can help with the SEO analysis. These are just site tools and plugins, extensions, whatever you call them, for Google Chrome. So you can see here it's got 2 index pages. Doesn't really give us huge amounts of data, but when we come into Majestic SEO here, it says it's got 4,254 links. That's pretty good. I mean, if it's real. Let's see what else we can find here. Let's go into the social media. Nothing there. Server domain info. Nothing useful there that I can see. I don't use these tools every day, as you can probably tell. Let's see what else we've got here. Page elements is just going to be about this GoDaddy page, which is kind of useless for us. Right, okay, so let's just go back again here. So this Majestic SEO is saying this one's got 4,254 links. Unless people have been linking to this GoDaddy page, which I guess, because it is do-it-yourself-.com. If you've been doing that, that's very kind of them, because I'm going to buy this. Right, okay, let's try another one. This is SEO for Chrome. Google's got 2 pages indexed, Majestic SEO 9 pages indexed. And if we, Majestic SEO here, 4,254. See if there's anything else useful here. It's got 1 stumble, and archive.org 2007. Okay, so this one's, according to Majestic SEO, got 4,254 links. So we found one with the page rank 3, and let's go in here. Just close this one down. Referring domains 48 from 35 different IP addresses. 34 of these are class C, so it's different backlinks coming from different places. External backlinks 126. Let's see if we can get any info here. Usually you've got to be logged in, etc. I don't remember if we've got an account with Majestic SEO. Let me just check here. I don't use these things every day, but we can go and check it once just have a look. Plans and pricing, see if they've got a free option here. Yeah, we've got a free option. Okay. I'll sign up for that in a few minutes. Right, anyway, so what we've found so far, if I go back a little bit, is this one. This one, SEOmarketingconsultant.com, page rank 3, and we found, which one was it now? Sorry, I'm getting a bit lost. I've got too many different tabs open here. I think it was this one, do-it-yourself. SEO.com. Let's just have a look again. Yeah. And we found another one that has got an age since 2007, so it's 5 or 6 years old, with 4,254 links with Majestic SEO. So we've gone both ways there. We found one with high page rank but not many links, and we found another one with 5, 6 year old domain with 4,254 links, according to Majestic SEO. So both of them, if I wanted to buy them, which would be this one and this one, would cost me a total of $14 for domains that are basically about between 11 years old. So I've got a 5-year-old and a 6-year-old domain. So that means they can soak up a lot of backlinks quite quickly, but it's all about quality now, so according to from the Panda updates and stuff like that. So I would suggest that you put good quality information in there. Now what I want to use them for, if it's an SEO kind of site, is just to build a really good landing page, and from that then get clients' details, and that can be followed up. But what I want to do it for is my offline training, 1-day courses, which we cover in the easy offline income course. So I'm going to go ahead and buy these. I thought it would be useful to show you what's going on here as I was doing it, because I was playing around with it. But let's just do one starting from fresh, and let's just go over to options over here. And if you followed the Super Simple Niches course, you will know that one of the main niches that keeps coming up again and again and again, it makes a lot of money, is certified nursing assistants kind of niche. It does very, very well for AdSense. So on the right hand side here, what we're going to do is fill in some basic details. So I've got the keywords. You must put the keywords for contain. Okay, that means it can be anywhere. So CNA is kind of short for certified nursing assistant. I just don't want to have that whole term searched in there. Characters, price, attributes, you want to buy it now option. Traffic, I'll leave that for now. Domain age, let's try Let's try 5 years old, but with the intention to come back to 3 years or even 2 years if we need to. And type we want, so just make sure public buy now. Could actually be closeouts. Okay, we'll leave that for now and we'll come back. Doesn't matter here which one it is in geography we're going to leave, so we'll just do a search, and all we've done basically is chosen the keyword and domain age so far. Yeah, nothing much there. You know, as daft as it sounds, it's got CNN and M. I want to check it out just to find out what's going on there with it. Go to 2002, and it's got CNN and an M. That doesn't make a lot of sense, the actual domain name. But it has CNN and name. It's 2002, so it's like 9 years old, 10 years old, almost. Yeah, 10 years old. Interesting. I don't know if I would buy that or not. Let's try again. Let's go and try some different things here. Domain age, let's bring that down to 2 years old. Just got logged out now. Okay, let's try it again. Keyword CNA. Make sure it's contain. Domain age. Let's bring this down to 3 years old, and we want to not characters, attributes. Buy now option. Search. You can join the options, but I don't have time for that. If you can buy it now for $5 or $10, then yeah, that one is there, but not good. It's really not a lot you can do with that. Let's see if I can get one with 2 years. Online CNA classes.info. So it's over a year old, so it's been renewed one more time. Now the thing about .info is you can buy them really cheap, like 99 cents or something, but that's only for the first year. So if something has been renewed after 1 year, then I guess that gives it a little bit more credibility. That's not bad actually. It's not bad. I would use something like that as part of a blog network, but the last time I tried to build a blog network I actually got de-indexed on some. I think actually the host might have been de-indexed. I heard the other day that some of those Class C hosting companies have had a lot of sites de-indexed. Possible. It's not awful. It's better than taking, you know, just a brand new domain, I guess. Or you could take that and use it as a sort of protection. And what I mean by that is that you could build a little site with just a one-page site with this and put some really good info about this exact keyword, online CNA classes. Make sure you've got plenty of good quality content, get some video, get some images and stuff like that in there. And you could build maybe like a 5-spoke link with like a first tier protection around it and drive links to those particular sites on the first tier. And once you start to get this ranking, you could redirect us to something a little bit better. There's maybe not a .info, but I'm not really put off with .info in this one because it's already been renewed. It gives it a little bit more credibility. so you can see different things you can do here. Okay, let's try one more different kind of keyword now. What can we do? Let's think of a niche. Electronic cigarette. How to quit smoking, cigarettes.info. Let's just take a quick look anyway. Just highlight, go to (2009). So that's been renewed twice already. Not really got any links or anything like that. Index 46, Google Index. Interesting. For $5, very interesting. It's worth spending a fiver on, I guess. Let's try a different niche. Let's try something like WSO. Nothing there really. Okay, let's try something more generic, maybe for offline niche lawyer. Another thing you can do here, actually, what am I doing? You can make this come up to like 100, 200, 500. Should be setting it at 500. There we go, there's plenty there, so let's bring this back up a bit. Let's put it at 5 years. This could be good, 212 criminal lawyers. Let's go there. And here, I don't know why this is happening. Sometimes it's giving you completely different info here. And then we have to go into the who is, and there is a who is in here as well, which I can click on. Just close that there. Created 07, expires 6th of March 2012. So it has got the age, it's 6th March 07, expires 6th March 2012. I'm not sure why this is showing January 2011. Facebook, it's got 1 like. We can dig a little deeper here. We can go into these things here, see what else we can find. Let's go to sitemap and robots text file, which is not really much information for us there. Let's try a different one. Let's try this one here. Actually, let's go into the who is domains. Domain name, sorry. Let's go over to here. And we can just check the age again. The owner of the domain you are researching has listed it for sale for $10. One registrar, it's got the email associated with it, and created 6th of March 2007. Some guy called Daniel Rogers. Okay, so that looks like quite a decent domain, because we've got, 5 years old, something like that. Let's go back. There's a GoDaddy page. Here we are. So that one's kind of interesting, and that's available for buying now for $8. Now, if what I did before with this batch research was I just put a whole bunch of things in here, and what we have to do then is take them one at a time, unfortunately. And go through them like this. See if there's anything that stands out. Oh, he's got the same one again for accidentlawyers.com. So this guy's been thinking to build something before. Maybe he's actually built a blog network, got de-indexed or something like that, which might be something to watch out for, because a lot of those blog networks got de-indexed, so these things become useless. Telecom lawyer. I'm just going to look for the .com ones, I think, here, or the .nets as well. Discrimination lawyers we can check as well. Oops. This looks like the same guy, just putting numbers in front of him, which I guess can help with the sort of density in the actual URL itself if you're looking for exact match domain. Just click on start just to give you an example of what you can do in here. Wait for the little wheel to finish spinning, and there's nothing at all here, no info at all. I've got more info from the last one that we did. Right, okay, so we can tell that these are all like 5 years old or less. So if I just pull this out and we'll do it in a new window, we can go through them one by one as well. So we can go to here and just go through them, and the SEO quick will tell us if any have got any page rank worth considering. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's kind of fun as well, because when you find something it's quite exciting. Okay, I'm going through them all because I just think it's worth doing it in case we can find something that looks quite good. Let's see if any have got any page rank. No page rank. Aged comes up 2011. I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, let's start from here. No page rank. Age is not showing. Okay, get rid of that one. Again, it's showing different age. Get rid of it. Age not showing. Maybe because I've opened too many of these at one time. Let's just try and refresh this. Yeah, okay. If it doesn't give us the info we want, just get rid of it. It's not showing. Okay, let's try a different one. Let's try attorney. Let's have a look at this one. It says it's got some traffic, so we might as well just go and see. Again, it's this is a person's name, Attorney Walter Madison, but you can redirect. It's got PR1 2007. So if you've done lawyers, got a lawyer, you know, if you're building a site for lawyers, this would be a good one to maybe redirect. And we can dig a bit deeper again. Let's just have a quick look here. Majestic SEO, 340 links, PR1, not bad. I would buy that actually. I would buy that, and it costs $8. Anyway, so the video will go on too long if I just keep playing around here. I hope you learned something from it. It's kind of interesting, but remember, just use these advanced features here, and you should be able to find it. And all you have to do is go to the auctions, and if you click on here, then you can just click on the browse inventory part, and that's how you can find this kind of stuff. And then you put in your details in here that you want to sort of refine. Choose the buy it now option. In my opinion, it just saves you from having to spend a huge amount of time just looking for an age domain. PR1 for 5 years old domain was that? Let's just see. Yeah, 5 years old domain. PR1, not bad. Really not bad. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.